If you're looking for a stakeout pole, come to Home Depot for $8.50. Listen to that. Solid. Doesn't flex at all. 8 feet long. $8.50. If you don't want an 8-footer, they got this one. It's a 6-footer. 6-footer for $6, and then they got this one for $4. Also 6 feet. It's not as thick as this one. Shoot, this is nice. What's an 8-foot fiberglass stakeout pole gonna cost you? Not $8.50. Hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and buy me a stakeout pole. I happened to stumble across the plant and tree support area in the gardening section and found these. You could buy 8 of these for the price of 1 of these. Your choice. I used a heat gun to soften up the bottom of the tee. I used the pointed side to shape it, and then I used the flat side on the end to finish it out. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and send me $1.